Welcome back, creators. Today, I am going to show you the absolute fastest way to connect Stripe to your Webflow site, so you can start accepting payments immediately, even without a full e-commerce site plan. Let's dive right in. The simplest method for selling one-off products or services is using Stripe payment links. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Payments tab and select Payment Links. Click Create Payment Link, enter your product details, set your price, and hit Save. Stripe will instantly generate a unique, secure checkout URL for this specific product. Click the Copy button to grab that link. Now, jump over to your Webflow designer. Select the exact button you want your customers to click to make their purchase. Over in the Elements Settings panel on the right side of your screen, look for the Link Settings. Choose the External URL option and paste your Stripe payment link directly into that text field. It really is that simple. Alternatively, if you want to manage everything natively inside Webflow, you can use the official Stripe app. Simply open the Apps panel on the left side of your designer, search for Stripe, and click Install. This seamlessly connects your accounts and lets you drop a functional, customizable Stripe checkout element right onto your canvas without ever leaving the Webflow interface. Once you hit Publish, your visitors can click your button and be instantly routed to a high-converting, mobile-friendly Stripe checkout page with all your funds routing straight to your connected bank account. You'll be able to securely collect payments, process subscriptions, or accept donations in a matter of minutes, with all the funds routing straight to your connected bank account. If this setup guide helped you monetize your site, hit that like button and subscribe for more fast and actionable Webflow tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what you're selling, and I will see you in the next video.